Welcome to the top best. The best UV light for nails is probably one of the most revolutionary tools in the nail care industry, offering both speed and durability for your manicures. Today, we're diving deep into the world of UV light for nails, exploring its benefits and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to smudges and hello to long-lasting, salon-quality nails right at home. Number 5. SUNUV SUNone Pink UV LED Nail Lamp. This is the SUNUV SUNone, a professional-grade UV LED nail lamp. It's designed to give you salon-quality results at home. This lamp is trusted by professionals worldwide. Featuring 30 high-power UV LED beads, it cures all gel polishes quickly. This means less time under the light and more time enjoying your beautiful nails. It uses safe UV and LED light wavelengths. This lamp is compatible with all gel nail polishes. Whether it's base coat, top coat, or color gel, it can handle it. It also works with hard gels, builder gels, acrylics, and gem glue. It comes with a smart sensor and 3 timer settings for easy use. You can customize the curing time to fit your needs. It makes the process simple and efficient. The removable base makes it perfect for both manicures and pedicures. It's easy to clean and offers plenty of space. This design adds to its overall convenience. SUNUV is the choice of over 5 million professionals globally. This brand specializes in salon-grade nail dryers. You can trust it for premium quality and ease of use. What we like? This lamp cures all gel polishes quickly thanks to its advanced LED technology. The removable base makes it easy to use for both manicures and pedicures. If you're a professional or a serious nail enthusiast who value speed and versatility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It cures both UV and LED gels quickly, leaving the nails perfectly hardened with a smooth, glossy finish. The lamp is spacious enough for a whole hand, which saves time compared to smaller lamps. This one has multiple settings of 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. It is quick, fast, warm, and accurately cures the different layers of polish. It is very roomy for all 5 fingers. Number 4. SUNUV SUNone C Pink Nail Lamp. Introducing the SUNUV SUNone C Nail Dryer. This lamp uses UV plus LED dual light source to shorten curing time, curing all gels in just 60 seconds. It also features an automatic sensor, making it incredibly easy to use. This UV light is designed to cure all your favorite gel nail polishes. From base coats to top coats, colored gels to hard gels, it handles them all. Please note, it's not for regular nail polish. Enjoy salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. This portable and easy-to-use lamp is perfect for DIY nail enthusiasts. Save money and have fun creating beautiful nails. The SUNone C curing lamp is safe for your eyes and skin. It's lightweight, powerful, and designed for ease of use and cleaning. It's a great choice for anyone. SUNUV has been developing salon-grade UV LED nail lamps for years. This product is favored and trusted by nail lovers everywhere. It also comes with 12 months of customer service. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like? This lamp features a quick drying function and an auto sensor for ease of use. It's designed to be safe and gentle on your skin and eyes. If you are looking for a convenient and safe option for at-home gel manicures, this lamp is ideal for you. What people say. This cute little thing was super easy to use. It's compact, easy to use, and gets the job done just like at the salon. The lamp has multiple timer settings, which is super convenient. I usually use the 60 or 90 second option depending on the polish, and it cures my gel polish evenly and quickly. Number 3. Beetles Mini UV LED Nail Lamp. This mini UV lamp offers a free operating space, making it easy to extend your nails. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this lamp helps you extend your nails quickly and easily with nail tips and UV gel. Enjoy the fun of DIY nails with this convenient tool. This flexible design allows the gel to dry quickly, in just 2 minutes. It features dual light sources, a USB cable, and a touch switch. This compact 5W UV lamp is efficient for gel nail art. This mini UV LED lamp offers salon-quality results. It's a convenient and valuable alternative to salon manicures. It is a wonderful gift for nail starters and nail lovers. The Beetles gel nail lamp is portable and cute. It has a USB interface and is easy to carry. You can use it anytime, anywhere for nail repair. This UV light is easy to use and perfect for both individual nail lovers and professional manicurists. It's a great gift for anyone who enjoys doing their nails. What we like. This mini lamp offers free operating space, making it easy to use for nail extensions. Its compact design is perfect for on-the-go nail care. If you like doing your nails anywhere, this portable and easy-to-use lamp is a great choice. What people say. The light is perfect for gel nails. It is small and easy to store. Number 2. XFZM Mini UV LED Nail Lamp Kit. Tired of waiting for your gel nails to dry? This portable device is the perfect solution for quick and easy manicures. It's designed to fix your nails anytime, anywhere. This mini UV light is small, compact, and incredibly easy to use. Just insert 3 AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. It's perfect for drying your nail polish glue quickly and efficiently. This handy tool isn't just for nails, it can also detect pet urine or dangerous pests. Whether you're a pet owner or an outdoor enthusiast, it's a must-have. Get professional results with this Flash Cure Lamp Kit. It includes everything you need for beautiful gel nails at home, including a stamper and ornaments. To ensure the product's longevity, remember to remove the batteries when it's not in use for an extended period. This simple step will help you get the most out of it. What we like. This mini UV light is portable and handheld, perfect for quick fixes on the go. It's not only for nails, but also can detect pet urine. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile tool for your nail care and other needs, this lamp is a must-have. What people say. Small but mighty, the light cures in gel color or placing diamond studs. Loved how easy doing my own nails is, and the quality of the product as well as doing my French nails on my non-dominant hand, so amazing. Works like a charm. Really nice for flash curing gems and gel. It's so small you can use it quickly and more concentrated. Number 1. SUNUV Sun 2C UV LED Nail Lamp. Tired of waiting for your nails to dry? This lamp is designed to give you perfectly dry, smudge-free nails every time. It offers different timer settings to meet your needs. Forget about pressing buttons. The smart sensor technology automatically turns the lamp on when you insert your hand. It turns off when you take your hand out. This is the perfect addition to your home salon. It is compatible with all gel nail polish types. You can use it with base coats, top coats, and more. Enjoy safe and comfortable nail treatments. It emits daylight non-ultraviolet light, which is safe for your skin and eyes. You can use it without worry. Take your nail care routine to the next level. Its lightweight design allows you to move it around easily. Enjoy manicures and pedicures anywhere in your house. What we like. This lamp offers multiple timer settings to suit your needs and a smart sensor for automatic operation. It emits safe, non-ultraviolet light. If you value safety and customization in your nail care routine, this lamp is the perfect addition to your home salon. What people say. It cures gel polish quickly and evenly, saving me so much time during manicures. The design is sleek and spacious, fitting both hands comfortably. I love the multiple timer settings and the automatic sensor. It makes the process effortless. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.